Let me give you a very powerful example that we actually achieved in our own organization. We were sitting on a more than 50 data feeds, which were extremely inconsistent. Like almost 50% of data was not able to process. And why? Because it comes from various job market. The job market, we collect the data and then we build the outlook for the Indian economy macro. And that to build the Indian economy macro, we need to collect from 50 sources and more than 2 gigabyte of data every month. Manually fixing that data used to cost us around 200K to 300K a year. It was not economically viable. So we decided to get a paid feed from somewhere else. Since we have implemented this particular process 6 months ago, we have now recall rate up to 99% and we have taken out the complete dependency on manual approach. We also can offboard it from our third-party tools and third-party feeds. Now let me show you how accurate it is. So this particular whole dashboard is actually generated by this software 3.0 data jobs, which come from income system feed, which come from government feed, which come from informal service, and from many other places, which are very much nightmare to put into a structured database. However, the success of this particular project was so powerful because the non-deterministic recalling rate was ready to go up to 99%. And therefore, we even built accuracy beyond the professional data feeds that we could ever subscribe for so large sum of money. That's the power of data engineering 3.0. And that's how you can actually build an AI data engineer that permanently will look for the failures and turn your failures into success.